It's a certified 2016 Lexus ES350. Once you arrive on the scene in this luxury sedan, people will instantly know things about you. You are aggressive, assertive, and demand only the best. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, leather steering wheel, front wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V6 engine. The Car Connection reports, thanks to a quicker steering ratio and retuned suspension, the ES models feel slightly sportier from behind the wheel without sacrificing passenger comfort. It's still just as plush and quiet as ever. Lexus, performance in every detail. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Arizona Car Sales, you won't find a better vehicle for a better price. Conveniently located at 1648 East Main Street in Mesa, Arizona.